Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. A lackluster trading day today. On one side, European futures were slightly higher, US futures were slightly higher. On the other side, Asian markets are all down. So we opened with a mixed feeling and we opened slightly lower, and Nifty traded within plus or minus 50 points from yesterday's closing. And finally, it closed almost flat, I think 10-15 point plus or minus. So it is just a lackluster trade, or we can say it is a consolidation, maybe ahead of some bigger move. Don't know, it all depends upon the reaction of HDFC Bank. And HDFC Bank has fallen, and that has contributed about 10 points for the fall in Nifty. Another one is the TCS, that has also fallen, contributed another 10-point fall in Nifty. So TCS has fallen because there are some news, so there was some scam, some employees were thrown out, this and that. And HDFC Bank, ahead of the results. I think after TCS, Infosys results, people do not want to take any bullish bet ahead of results. The people want to take only the bearish bets ahead of the results. So that is why today HDFC Bank has fallen ahead of its results. And not only HDFC Bank, even Bajaj Finance. And tomorrow is a Bajaj Finance results, so Bajaj Finance has also fallen. And HDFC Bank, it has come out with results after the market hours. But the results are not really comparable because this is the first result after HDFC Bank merged with HDFC. So looks like the result is a decent result, if not very good result, and there is no reaction from the HDFC Bank ADR. Of course, ADR may not be very liquid, so the US market has not started pre-market in US. So HDFC Bank is just flat only, so no move. So tomorrow's price action, the market movement is based on how HDFC Bank is going to move. But however, GIFT Nifty is indicating slightly positive, but that may be because of some recovery in US markets. So we will get some clarity only tomorrow morning. And today nothing has moved, and except one thing. So the only one thing that moved 5% was India VIX. The market was flat, and the Friday also the same thing happened. In US, the Dow was higher actually, but VIX shot up 20%. And today there is no news in India, and nothing. Markets did not go anywhere, almost flat. But India VIX shot up 5%. So as usual, broader markets were performing well, mid cap, small cap, next 50, everything was doing well. It's only the large cap, index heavyweight, large caps falling that dragged the market down. IT, is trying to recover, but TCS dragged it down, and all the banks were down. It was intraday, there was trying to recover, but yesterday ICICI Bank ADR was well in green. But despite that, most part of the day today, ICICI Bank was down here. So the banks are not doing well, IT not doing well, Reliance is choppy, it didn't move anywhere. In fact, Reliance has not moved anywhere for the last 1 week, 10 days. So, the things are, I would say, if you compress a spring too much, when you release it, it will jump very fast. So maybe somehow I have a feeling that the market is compressed too much, especially the Nifty. I am not talking about mid cap and small cap. So as and when there is a release, it can jump very fast. But we don't know whether that is going to happen or not. Looking at the open interest, 19,700 put option also has a high open interest. 19,800 call option also has high open interest. So looks like people are expecting some range bound move for the next 2-3 trading sessions. But once HDFC Bank is factored in, then it has to be a range bound move only, because the next major result is only on Saturday, ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank, and more importantly the markets will be waiting for Reliance results. So until then, the markets may consolidate, maybe within 100, 200 point plus or minus. So, the market is clearly stuck in the range 19,500 and 20,000, and for a very, very long time. In between it crossed 20,000 on the higher side, after that it broke 19,500 on the lower side, again come back. So again it is between 19,500 and 20,000. So let us see what is going to happen. The FII data I think still is not out, but US markets, US futures are slightly higher and European futures are also higher. So let us see where those markets closes. Surprisingly today even Israel market is up more than 1%. But remember yesterday it was down 3.5%, even 1% up today also, it's on a net basis 2.5% only. So the markets, looking for HDFC Bank results, looking for some, Israel's ground offensive, so this and that, So this uncertainty will continue for a few more days. So let us see what is going to happen. And still October month is still trading in green only on a monthly candle. So, but the bulls are really hoping to touch 20,000. So let us see whether that is going to happen in the next 1 week or so. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.